Dear student, today in National Income Accounting we are going to discuss the different aggregates of domestic product. What we are going to discuss? The different aggregates of domestic product. As you all know, what is value of output? Value of output means value of all type of goods. It means here we talk about all type of goods means intermediate goods as well as final goods produced in the economy during the period of 1 year. As you know, those goods and services are produced by the two types of enterprises. One is called corporate enterprises, other is called unincorporated enterprises. Corporate means those who maintain the balance sheet. So there how you calculate the value of output? By calculating intermediate consumption, that is their expenditure on raw material. COE, their expenditure on labor. OS, their expenditure on land, capital and entrepreneurship. That depreciation, expenditure on repair and maintenance, and what net tax they pay. This is how we calculate the value of output in corporate. And in uncorporate enterprises or self-employed enterprises, they are because they do not maintain the balance sheet, so their income is calculated in the form of mixed income that we discussed already in the previous video. Now once you calculate the total value of goods and services produced, right? Now from this you have to subtract the value of intermediate goods. Why? Because when we are going to calculate domestic product or domestic income, we have to include the value of only final goods and services. Why we do so? Because we want to avoid double counting. What is double counting? When we record the item of single item value more than one time. So to avoid it, what we are going to do, from this value of output, we are going to reduce the value of intermediate goods. And value of intermediate goods is known as intermediate consumption. So once we remove from value of output intermediate consumption, what left? COE, OS, MI, depreciation and net indirect taxes. And now here the point of caution is, whenever depreciation is there, we will be using the word gross. And depreciation is not there, we are using the word net. Here if you look into, if from gross you remove depreciation, it will become net. And in net you add depreciation, it will become gross. Now from value of output, we subtracted only intermediate consumption. So depreciation is there. That's why we are calling it gross. Now why we are calling it domestic product? Domestic product means that income which is produced within the domestic territory of a country, within the political boundary of the country. So this COE is produced within country, this OS is produced within country, this MI is produced within country. And all these three incomes we are taking here because we have removed only IC. So here COE is there, OS is there, MI is there. This is called domestic product. What we call it? Domestic product or domestic income. Why we call it domestic product or domestic income? Because all the three income are generated within the domestic territory of a country. Within the country these incomes are generated, that's why we call them domestic product or domestic income. Now further what left? For depreciation we are using the word gross. For COE, OS and MI you are using the domestic product. Third net is net indirect tax. And from value of output you have not removed the net indirect tax. Means here net indirect tax are also included. If net indirect tax are included, we call it market price. And if net indirect tax are not included, we call it factor cost. If you look here, see here, market price is there. From market price, if you remove net indirect taxes, what we call factor cost. And if in the factor cost you add net indirect tax, what you call market price. So here in this gross domestic product, these net indirect tax are here. That's why it is called at market price. So the first aggregate of the domestic product is GDP at MP, gross domestic product at market price. Now if you look into the components, from the each word you will able to spell out the component. When I am saying gross, what it means? Depreciation is there. So now you will have to remember throughout the national income accounting, if it is written gross, it means depreciation is included. Second is domestic product. What it means? If it is written domestic product means three incomes are there. What they are? COE, OS and MI. So whenever you are going to add these three income which is produced within the domestic territory of a country, what you are going to get? Domestic product. Okay? Then COE plus OS plus MI means domestic product. Why I am calling it at market price? Because net indirect taxes are included. So if you have to define it, how you will define? Gross domestic product at market price means the value of all type of goods? No, wrong. Why? Because from all type of goods, intermediate goods have been excluded, have been removed. So here if you say the value of all type of goods, then you are wrong. Here we are taking the value of only final goods. Value of intermediate goods has been subtracted. So when you are going to define gross domestic product at market price, what you will say? Value of final goods and services. Where it is produced? Within the domestic territory, within the country. And what is included? Depreciation and net indirect tax. So what is gross domestic product at market price? Value of final goods and services produced within the country, including depreciation and net indirect tax. Now further, if I remove depreciation from this, as I will remove depreciation, gross minus depreciation, what it will be? Net. That's why I am writing here net. So from this gross domestic product at market price, only what is subtracted? Depreciation. And whenever you are going to subtract depreciation from gross, it is get converted into net. So then it will be net domestic product at market price. How you will define it? It's a value of final goods and services produced within the country, including net indirect tax, excluding depreciation. Now from this net domestic product at market price, if you remove net indirect tax, if you are going to remove net indirect tax, the market price will be called factor cost. Here it is market price means net indirect tax are included. Now you are going to remove this net indirect tax. What will happen? Market price is converted into factor cost, and that is called net domestic product at factor cost. Means no depreciation, no net indirect tax. So what is left? Only domestic product. So what you call net domestic product at market price? No depreciation, no net indirect tax, only domestic product, which means COE plus OS plus MI. That is known as domestic income or domestic product. That is COE, OS and MI. So out of these three aggregates of domestic product, which is known as domestic income means only COE, OS and MI. This have only COE, OS and MI. So if in the exam he is asking you to calculate domestic income, what it means? You have to calculate the value of COE, value of OS and value of MI simply. And if you add it, what you are going to get? Domestic income, or what we call it net domestic product at factor cost. Clear? So the next aggregate of domestic product is. Now further, if you add here depreciation, once again, if you further add depreciation, this net will be converted into gross. Clear? This will be called gross. Then domestic product and at factor cost. So what is gross domestic product at factor cost? Gross means depreciation. Domestic product means COE, OS, MI. Factor cost means no net indirect tax. So when we calculate the value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory or within the country, and we include depreciation also, but we do not include net indirect tax, that is called GDP at FC. So how many aggregates of domestic product? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are four aggregates of domestic product. So in the board, you may be asked to calculate any one of it. If you have to calculate GDP at MP from value of output, simply you have to subtract intermediate consumption. Now from value of output, if you have to calculate net domestic product at factor cost. So first from value of output, what you will subtract? Intermediate consumption, right? What you will get? Gross domestic product at market price. And from this you have to reach here. Means you have to convert gross into net. How? Minus depreciation. And then you have to convert market price into factor cost. How? Minus net indirect tax. So this is all about the four aggregates of national domestic product. Once again, here we have discussed the four aggregates of domestic product. We also discussed how to convert gross into net and market price into factor cost and vice versa. If you have to convert gross into net, minus depreciation, net into gross plus depreciation. Market price into factor cost minus net indirect tax, and factor cost into market price plus net direct tax. In the next video, we'll discuss the four more aggregates of national product.